Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the wooden clip closely to know exactly how it failed. That determines the fix. If it's a clean snap, you'll rejoin faces. If it's split, you'll reinforce. Once identified, remove debris and lightly sand mating surfaces so glue bonds. This step matters because roughness helps adhesion. Apply a thin line of wood glue to one face, press together, and align immediately. Use a toothpick for glue in tight gaps, then clamp in position for the initial set. Once the joint is clamped, make sure you check alignment from multiple angles. A slight twist now becomes a permanent misfit. If the wood split along the grain, add a thin splint glued along the inside face or drill a tiny pilot hole and insert a 1/16 dowel with glue for tensile strength. Wipe excess glue with a damp cloth. Let the assembly reach initial set under clamp for at least 30 minutes. This gives the bond time to build strength before further handling. After the glue fully cures, usually 24 hours for full strength, you remove clamps and sand any excess to restore the clip's profile, making sure moving parts clear by a hair. You then test its action gently. If it binds, sand a touch more or add a thin wax to reduce friction. If it fails under load, don't force it. Re-glue and consider reinforcing with a small metal pin set into a drilled hole, because that converts the repair into the...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.